Hey YouTube, how we doing? Man, we've got something incredible from one of our favorite companies on the channel. This thing is so fresh, it's literally hot out of the vat. So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now as you saw by that little thumbnail, whatever title you clicked on, we're taking a look at Johnny Slicks' new seasonal product, Berry Slicks. Now those of you familiar with my channel, when I did a review on Apple Slicks a while ago, I really regretted not getting these. Speaking of that Johnny Slicks video and every other beard, skin, hair care, whatever product we brought to the channel so far, look up top. You're going to see a card to every single one of them. All right, you're going to find a bunch from Johnny in there because, man, his product is just sensational. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for finding this video. I know it's going to be a weird one for you. Trust me, it's going to make sense. Now, for you first-timers and long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look down below. All right, you're going to see a little watermark popping up, man. Click on that thing, hover over on it, bring up subscribe, knock it out the way early, and man, I guarantee you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. All right, guys, if you are unfamiliar with Johnny Slicks, it kind of makes me go, wow, have you been watching my channel? You can find them at www.johnnyslicks.com. And I have to tell you, with such great pride, I can almost do this thing with, my eyes shut, not looking at my notes. Man, these guys are made in the United States of America out of Holly Ridge, North Carolina. The whole entire, how should we say, senior membership of Johnny Slicks is former U.S. Marine Corps. Semper Fi, Devil Dogs, you guys are kicking ass, taking names, and revolutionizing the frickin' hair, skin, and beard game while you're at it. Now, they are 100% organic. Johnny is very, very fanatical about keeping things as organic as possible because of his own life experiences. And trust me, it massively translates into this product. It really, truly does. You're going to feel an intense difference after you've been using them. Now, for you guys out there who've been calling Johnny out, I know there's not a little sticker on the label that says, ooh, 100% organic. It's not certified by the USDA or USFDA, whatever. Yeah, it's because you got to pay $70 grand a year per product. So if you have 10 products, that's a lot of money, to the United States government, just for that itty bitty little sticker that will allow you to have non-organic or non-natural ingredients up to 10% wise in your product that you say is 100%. So Johnny and his business partner, Nick Combolazos, man, they're just doing it the Marine way. They're doing it on their own, and they're kicking ass and taking names. So guys, damn proud to be, a slickster, and damn proud to be doing this video for you. They are also the first ever Marine-owned, 100% organic beard, hair, skin care company that is 100% accredited by the Tctbnl. That's the Better Business Bureau. Now, I know you guys are going, well, how'd you find them? Well, it wasn't by guerrilla, YouTube videos. It was seriously, I saw Nick Combolazos talking about Johnny Slicks in a YouTube video a while ago. And I went, yeah, wow, that's a weird name. And then I'm cruising through Facebook and I see an ad. And I go, oh, okay, that looks kind of cool. Let me take a look. Pulled it up, saw Nick commenting, and I went, isn't that the hint? I pulled the trigger on a beard oil, and I've been hooked ever since. Now, Johnny loves to go. Well, he was established in 2016, but after successfully stalking Nick, they all hit it big in, February of 2018 when they became a partnership, and man, they have just taken off, and they're just running wild. All right. The ingredients, I know you guys want to know them. There they are right there. Beeswax, coconut oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and body-safe fragrance. Johnny is fanatical about everything that goes in his product is safe to go on your body. And it all stems from his experiences with other stuff, whereas he was putting it, he was running his hands through his hair, and he was pulling out hair from safe product. Johnny has done a lot of work to make sure there's a lot of incredible things in here that will not harm your body. Now, it does come in a 4-ounce amber jar, and it's going to run you about 15 bucks. That's not bad. If you take a look at like beard balm prices and you take a look at beard butter prices at the same value, it's a little bit more considerable. Now that's what it looks like. I've been using it for a little while, and man, I can see why I've been waiting for it. I know you're going, so what's it smell like? Well, let's see if it's still. It's black raspberry with some vanilla in there. And what kills me is first couple times I put it on, I'm like, why do I smell like soap? Then I had to remember, oh yeah, we have some soft soap in the bathroom that's black raspberry and vanilla. I'm like, oh, there we go. All right, now I know you're going, so you're doing like a beard care review, so why are you bringing pomade? Well, now granted, pomade is, easy way to help hold your hair in place, but Johnny's pomade can also double as a beard balm. It's very healthy for your beard and really gives it this great nourishment to it. So it's a two-way product that's right at that line. Now I know you guys are going, well, I did a video for like another company where they're like hair, beard, and body wash. Well, Johnny doesn't advertise this as a two-way product. He advertises it as pomade, and we found out that it works great as, a beard balm. One of the things I love about this, if your hair's damp, it's going to have less hold. The drier your hair is the more hold it has. And yeah, I know you can kind of see some of the glow off the dome right here. I'm currently wearing Berry Slicks as we speak, so yeah. It gives a nice look to your hair going in there. It really holds it in place perfectly. Now, over on his web store, this thing has been reviewed 27 times. Because like I said, this is a seasonal product, and I missed it last year. Very thankful I'm not going to miss it this year because I've been kicking myself in the ass the whole time. It's been reviewed 27 times, and it's got 26 5-star ratings and 1 4-star rating. Now, I know a bunch of you are going, he's a vet. I bet he's got his, Marine Corps buddies he's giving free product to in exchange for, good reviews. No. I'm challenging you guys. Go out there, go take a look, and go take a look at each review like I did, because I poured through all 27 of them before shooting this video. And I do this with every single Johnny Slicks video that I film, because I don't want to see BS reviews that are skewing his stats, because I really like the company, I really like the man, and Mama Slicks, don't know if you're watching, but I'm a huge fan of yours, and I don't want a smart bump, so I went through there, and I'm just making sure that it is what it says it is, and he's getting the correct reviews. Because I hate it when, I call it the Gerber effect, and if any of you have watched my Everyday Carry Blade series, I'm going to leave a card up there for that too. Gerber is notorious for this. When they go, this blade is rated 4.9 out of 5 stars, and you see like 10 5-star reviews and 1,000 1-star reviews. So I'm like, how does that even equate? I don't get that. But there we go, guys. I think I covered the massive high points for this one. It has been well worth the wait. But here's the interesting thing, because I brought a lot of Johnny Slick stuff to the channel. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Especially if you have used Johnny Slicks before. Man, I've been doing this stuff, and just so you guys know, I am not an affiliate of Johnny. I pay for everything. It's not like he just goes, hey, give me a great YouTube video and you just got this product. I will admit, flat out, he was very kind to send me that. I think he saw in that Apple Slicks video how badly I wanted it. This showed up on my front door, and I'm like, damn, I didn't order it. What the hell? Cool. He's helped support the channel. So, dude, thank you. If I wasn't supposed to say that, sorry, it's already right there. Sorry, Johnny. Alrighty. So let's get this little wrap-up done, because I want to get it edited and get it online. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, man, thank you so much for giving me some of your time on this weird one. I know, it's more Johnny Slicks fun, and it's Berry Slicks, and man, it's, like I said, it's worth it. But I hope I've earned more of your time, and I hope you're going to keep coming back. So for you first-timers that didn't do it at the beginning, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, don't know why you haven't, because we're growing and we're bringing more fun stuff to the channel. Man, look down there. You should see a huge channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to take you right to subscribe. After you've knocked out subscribe, please go ahead and beat up its little brother, the bell icon. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Berry Slicks Organic Pomade by the man, Johnny Slicks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great one today.